Let's look at 4 ways to help you become a millionaire during a recession. Number 4. Stocks. One way to become a millionaire during a recession is to invest in stocks. While the stock market may be volatile during a recession, there are still opportunities to make money. By carefully selecting stocks that are undervalued, you can make a fortune when the market rebounds. Furthermore, investing in stocks during a recession can help you build a diversified portfolio that will protect your wealth during future economic downturns. So if you're looking to become a millionaire, don't forget to consider investing in stocks during a recession. It just might be the best way to achieve your financial goals. Number 3. Real estate. There are still ways to make a fortune even during a recession. One of the best ways to become a millionaire during tough economic times is to invest in real estate. One reason for this is that property values always go up in the long run. In addition to that, you can get good deals on properties during a recession. Real estate is also a tangible asset that you can touch and feel, unlike stocks and shares, which can disappear overnight. Furthermore, investing in real estate gives you the opportunity to create passive income streams that will make you money for years to come. So if you're looking to become a millionaire during a recession, investing in real estate is a great option. Just make sure you do your homework before making any big decisions. Number 2. Fine art. There are many ways to become a millionaire during a recession, but one of the most unique is to invest in fine art. Fine art generally holds its value better than stocks or other investments during times of economic turmoil, and it can even increase in value as the economy improves. Of course, investing in fine art is not without its risks, but if you do your homework and choose wisely, investing in fine art could be a very profitable way to weather the storm of a recession. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1. Start a business. The key to becoming a millionaire during a recession is to start a business. By starting your own business, you can control your own destiny and make a lot of money. Of course, starting a business during a recession can be risky, but if you do it right, you can come out on top. During a recession, people are still looking for products and services that meet their needs. By finding a niche market, you can focus your efforts on meeting the needs of this market and stand out from the competition. One of the best ways to succeed during a recession is to keep your overhead low. By keeping your overhead low, you'll be able to weather the storm and stay afloat financially. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.